Sometimes when you save up long enough and plan ahead, everything just comes together at the right place and the right time. The Youngstown Public Library saved and planned for a very long time, and their renovation and restoration of the main library has been completed, adding modern new spaces and restoring some of the original beauty of the facility. We stopped in at the grand opening as they start a new chapter.
This project has been a long time in the works, but we're really excited to see the community out here today and enjoying it. And of course, we hope that this is just the first visit for many folks who may not have been to Main Library in a long time, or maybe never at all. The library is for the people, open 6 days a week, 7 days if you count the internet, and we're just excited to see so many people enjoying this space that we've waited a really long time for.
The space right here that we're in, this is our event space, 125 seats. It could be rented for various events, as well as the library is going to do some wonderful events here, some fundraisers, as well as specific programs. It's endless, the amount of things that we could do here. The culinary kitchen is going to be, of course, literacy based, but we hope to have nutrition programming going on there. We want to bring in ethnic programming, classes to teach people how to prepare food, and most especially we want to bring in some chefs and hope to have some really great fundraisers as well connected to the Culinary Center.
All right, well, right at the corner of Wick and Rand, if you haven't been by here recently, you'll see the new Wick Avenue stairs, which are a replica of what we had when the building was built in 1910. At the top of those stairs, you'll see the historic lampposts, which represent the light of knowledge, as well as the brass doors and the plate above the window that says "For the People." Inside, we've restored the art glass ceiling in the grand reading room, and we have all new shelving, new collection, and of course, we have a new entryway.
We've reinstated that beautiful skylit reading room. It now serves as kind of a central hub for the library, and there's two wings to the sides, to the north and south of that room, that are the stack rooms, so where the books are being housed. In that room also, unfortunately, a lot of the beautiful plasterwork had been painted over, and it was a plasterwork that was designed to look like stone. It was meant to always be raw and exposed, so that it would look like coursed limestone. That had been painted, so we restored that. There are bronze fixtures throughout that space that had also been lost to time. Don't know where they went, but through some photo evidence, which I have a few photos here in my hand, through photo evidence and historical searches, we could find some photos of what they used to look like, and we were able to replicate those fixtures and put them back in place.
So in our DIY space on the second floor, we have not only a Cricut, a 3D printer, sewing machines, a loom, but we have a one-touch recording studio. So if you're interested in podcasting, or if you're interested in creating a vlog, or really just doing maybe a school project, anything where you might need a professional quality sound system or recording system or visual recording system, it's open and free to the public. It is soundproof. There's a soundproof door. It's pretty easy to use, but our staff is also trained to help folks learn how to use it as well.
The multi-million-dollar project may have taken quite a while to come to be, but like they say, all good things are worth the wait.